So let me just go ahead and proceed. So thank you for the introduction, Kara. I am, we should be good to go. Yeah, so my name is Eric Larson. Thank you for the introduction. I'm going to do a presentation today on IBM's implementation of SAFE, specifically in this collaborative lifecycle management solution. And kind of go through a little bit high-level overview of what SAFE is, and talk about and show you how it's implemented within CLM solution, run through a bunch of the reports and dashboards, and at the end, I'm going to kind of switch gears and show you a demo of some of those reports and dashboards, and show you how you would go ahead and go and pick out the reports from the JAS reporting service library and pull them into your dashboard to create a kind of a set of metrics dashboards that kind of highlight the SAFE metrics. I know this isn't the first SAFE webinar that we've done here at 321 Gang, so I'm just going to do some high-level introduction, but really not go deep into what SAFE is, and kind of go deeper into how it's implemented in the CLM solutions. So SAFE is a scaled agile framework, right? It's helping you isolate. It's an isolated agile approach. It doesn't guarantee success, but in order to be successful, you've got to be continuously monitoring, measuring, and improving what you're doing. It can be kind of a busy slide, but what it's highlighting here is that there's a kind of a number of roles on a typical project, a number of different artifacts that these and life some components or some functionality that's going to be released, and that feeds into a value stream, and that value says, what value am I delivering in this iteration or release of the product. Up in this value stream is where we kind of start getting into the metrics and reporting piece, and start really kind of digging down into what the value for the customers and looking at how we can measure that and measure how we're doing delivering, or how you're doing when you're developing your software, delivering upon those value propositions that the business has agreed to deliver with your software. Within IBM's product line in the collaborative lifecycle management, or CLM solution, they've built in a number of SAFE templates that can be used to deploy your project. So if you're using Rational Team Concert, you can set up a project there using a CLM lifecycle project area template, using the SAFE portfolio, and then you get a lot of the SAFE artifacts instantiated for you, and you get things like a strategic theme that you can fill in, value stream, some of the lightweight business case objects. You get things like the epic, the portfolio epic. You get test plan, test artifacts that go into the quality management, testing applications. You get the attributes to the CLM work items that are part of the SAFE template, as well as reporting and process guidance. So I'm going to kind of focus more today on the reports perspective and show you a little bit about where those reports live, talk about what they've delivered in the various releases of RTC, and go ahead and run some of those. What's new in like the 601 release, I think RTC is up to version 603. But in the 601 release, a couple of things that they did for in the CLM products, up in the lifecycle project area itself, a DOORS next generation project template has been upgraded and released to manage the SAFE business level artifacts, the themes, the value streams, and the lightweight business cases.